what is the picture you have? There is a triangle. Okay. There is a triangle. Question number 1. There is a triangle. Equilateral triangle
Yes.
means each interior angle of 60 degree. Fine. This is of 60 degree. This is of 60 degree. This is of 60 degree. Get it? Now, what happens? A beam of light is coming, na? क्या? Normal से angle बना रही है. This is the normal. ठीक? And नहीं तुम you just tell me the data बाकी ये ऐसे आ रही है. ये incident ray is coming like this. It is making angle of how much degree? 45 degree का angle है. Oh my god. 45 degree. So we should take it like this. This is of 45 degree. 45 degree angle is there. When it goes inside, then what happens? It goes like this. It goes towards the normal. This angle will be less than, this angle of refraction will be less than 45 degree. And then it is less than 45 degree. Fine. Then it comes here, and here is again normal of this side. Normal of this side, right? So angle of prism is how much? A is equal to 60 degree, and this is light ray, and ये emergent हो जाएगी. It goes away from the normal. It is angle of emergence. Take what is given you data.
State two factors on which the angle of deviation depends.
Angle of deviation. अब क्या होगा अगर हम इस लाइन को बैक ऐसे मिलाते हैं, ऐसे ऐसे इसको आगे एक्सटेंड करते हैं, इसको इधर से एक्सटेंड करते हैं, राइट? तो ये हो गया एंगल ऑफ डेविएशन. ठीक है. अब प्रॉब्लम ये है, we know only angle of incidence, we know only angle of prism. Angle of emergence is given to you?
No, sir. Complete the ray of P and Q and state two factor on which angle of deviation is given.
Angle of deviation डिपेंड करता है एक तो मीडियम के ऊपर, डिपेंड करता है. एंड दैट्स मतलब एंगल ऑफ deviation depends upon refractive index of medium. Refractive index of medium. Right?
Angle of prism.
And second, angle of prism. And angle of prism. Angle of prism. What else? What else? Angle of prism. What else it is asking? Tell me faster, na? Huh?
Complete the ray diagram and tell the two factors from which it depends.
नीचे इधर नेक्स्ट क्या लिखा है?
So next question.
ऊपर क्या लिखा हुआ है?
Copy the diagram and complete the path of the ray PQ. State two factors on which angle of deviation is dependent.
We can't go beyond that. Angle of deviation है. Angle of is 60 degree. Angle of अगर ये हम ये मान लें, if we consider angle of incidence is equal to angle of emergence, so angle of minimum deviation is equal to 2 angle I minus A. Is it? So angle of minimum deviation is equal to 90 minus 60 is equal to 30 degree. ये एंगल जो होगा वो 30 डिग्री का. Do you get?